Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, solid-state drive, and system board. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel and speaker cables for later replacement. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel and retention tape on the left speaker. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Remove the two 6mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left speaker to the top cover. Remove the two 6mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right speaker to the top cover. Lift the speakers off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the speakers.